It's more fall-like for us outside this morning. A beautiful sunrise for us. This is a picture coming to us from West Palm Beach with our High 5 camera. And you can see that kind of mix of sun and clouds. Well, that's what we're going to see through the daytime hours today as well. And I also put out the call for you to send us any pictures. This one coming to us from Kathy Klein at Pitchford's by the Sea RV Park. This morning, a beautiful sunrise there. And keep sending us your photos. You can like my weather page, Meteorologist Bay Scroggins. Get your forecast every weekend. Post your photos there or go to the U-Report section of our website, WPTV.com. All right, Live Viper 5 Max, you can see that we did have a couple of tiny showers move through Martin County over the past several minutes, but mostly just sprinkles at this point. Pretty much going away across St. Lucie County as well. Temperatures along the coastal areas this morning near 80 degrees, but inland locations getting into the upper 60s this morning. We'll continue to see some more spotty showers on the breeze today. And notice the breeze out there, east-northeast winds, about 15 to 25 miles per hour for today. High pressure off to our north and had an area of low pressure that was to our south and east. That was Tropical Storm Patty. Now it's since dissipated, but those two areas gave us that strong wind field, and that's why we're still feeling some of those winds too. So some clouds out there through the morning hours, windy with a passing shower through your afternoon time period, getting into the upper 80s for many of us for today. Now ViperCast paints a picture for today very well, just spotty showers coming in from the Atlantic, and at times we potentially could see enough energy for a thunderstorm or two, but mostly just some rain showers for today, and they'll likely continue into your Monday, at least for the first part of the day. A cool front's going to slide through though, and take a look at this. Our rain chances going from about 40% today, dropping some tomorrow, but as we get into Tuesday and Wednesday, big time change. We're going to be much drier. Some very dry air is moving our direction, and you're really going to notice it when you step outside, especially for the middle of the week. Not so much colder, only dropping by a degree or two, but that drier air really makes it feel like a Florida fall for us. Okay, turning to the tropics now, we do have Tropical Storm Rafael. That's the only storm we're really watching right at this moment. The storm system is going to move to the north, not going to impact South Florida, which is a great thing. 50-mile-per-hour winds, though. It has now passed by Puerto Rico, and as it moves off to the north, it will eventually curve back out in the Atlantic, but graze by Bermuda, possibly as a Category 1 storm. For us here at home, because we had Tropical Storm Patty that was somewhat in our vicinity, now of course dissipated, did bring us some dangerous rip currents as well as those winds out of the northeast. Combining those two, yeah, it was kind of a rough weekend out at the beaches, and it will still be a little rough for you today. Chest to head high surf for you. The boating forecast, boaters, be extra careful. Small craft advisory in place. East-northeast winds 15 to 25 knots, sea 7 to 9 feet, 8 to 10 along the Treasure Coast. Your forecast for today, temperatures in the upper 80s for most of us, topping out right around 87 degrees. It will be windy with those passing showers, and the winds finally begin to calm down as we head into the evening hours tonight. Still a shower is possible with those northeast winds at 10 to 15. Your 7-day forecast, keeping the wind around today, calming a little bit more for tomorrow, and then as we get into Tuesday and Wednesday, that's when that drier air really starts to work its way on in, and we feel it outside when we step outside. So that's what we're all waiting for. We had one good shot of that drier air late last week. Now we're going to get a second shot of that, and it's going to make it feel a lot better here. It doesn't take a major temperature change, just takes a lowering of that humidity for us to feel it outside. And